Here we have a new family. This is in the Hamhamelidaceae family. Liquidambar styraciflua, which is American sweetgum. The bark form comes in these vertical ridges, not incredibly deep, but a little deeper than you've seen in some of the other trees. It's usually a sort of a grayish and brown color, although again, bark, always gray-brown or brown-gray. So really take a look at how straight and vertical that those fissures are and those breaks. And that follows through as we move all the way up the tree. The sweetgum also tends to be a narrow crown, meaning it has a single straight trunk as it moves up. If we look at the form of the tree, we can see that, like the light post next to it, it's fairly straight and can be a rather tall tree. In this fall, the leaf color can go from purples and reds to oranges and have quite stunning appearance in the landscape. As we can see, the leaves have a fairly distinct form. It is a star shape, so we'd call this a simple lobed leaf. Simple because, again, the petiole comes all the way back and ends at the twig. It is alternately arranged on the twig, so you have a leaf, then a little ways down another leaf, and a leaf, as opposed to being directly across from each other. This is sort of maybe a medium to small thickness in twig, much thicker than what we saw in the hackberry, but thinner than we'll see in others. As you can see, the bud would have come out right where my thumb is and given rise to this vegetative shoot. The bud is pointed and imbricate and has sort of a cone shape to it. It's reasonably large, and once it forms, fairly easy to identify. With sweetgum, when the little fruit is just forming, it has this sort of wild appearance to it and very green. The fruit will hang often throughout the fall and winter, making a prominent appearance with all of these little fruit hanging down in the tree. See these little beak-like structures, they open up, and inside there would be the seed that comes out. For this reason, these are fairly stiff. They don't hurt, they're not sharp, but they're fairly stiff, and people sometimes have a problem with these in landscapes where they want to be able to walk around. This tree is again native to the southeast portion of the United States.